Welcome back to my 1967 Chevelle Malibu project. See, I got the dash in, mostly. There's a few wires that I gotta fix yet. This is actually the dash that was in one of the cars. That was either this one or the parts car originally. It's not perfect. I used textured paint on the metal top. Might be a little more texture than factory, but it's as close as I could get it. See, the pad has one crack in it, right in the middle. And the chrome is faded. The car's not going to be perfect. Just a decent driver. Thing seems to be cleaned up well. Most of the lights work in the dash, besides for the radio light bulb and the heater control light bulb. I gotta check that. It actually cranks over with the key. The cigarette lighter works. The glove box I gotta install yet. I gotta fix the wire for that, the light for that. The white wire is for the dome light for the door, and the other wire is for the heater element on top of the heater box. As you can see, I got that in. The glove box door is, this is the one. It's got the sticker on it. Put that right side up so you can actually see it. I didn't paint the inside. Been trying to paint the outside, but for some reason I wipe it off, sanded it down, wiped it off three times, primered it, and then used a satin black on it, and for some reason it fish-eyed really bad, so I had to redo that over. I don't know, I have the wiper motor on, the outside heater box, the radiator I painted and installed that. This radiator support isn't the one I'm using. I have that over here. This is the original one to the car. Needs to be cleaned up and painted, and I'll do that with probably do the inner fenders and everything at the battery box at the same time. But this one's not rusted out on the bottoms at all. And for some reason this support it's too narrow where the mounts are, so it doesn't line up with them. This support's actually pretty decent, besides for this spot right in here. Well, you got the upper and lower radiator hose, the fan. I gotta clean up that spacer, the belts on. Heater hoses. The blower motor worked, but for some reason that doesn't work right now with the key or anything on. I have a battery that I just set on the frame rail to test everything, but I think I said it does crank over with the key. None of the headlights worked, so I don't know if these bulbs are any good or not, but that's just an update on how far I am. Thanks for watching.